Hello dear students, in today's video we will learn about nomenclature of ethers and let us discuss IUPAC system, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. In this system, ethers are named as alkoxyalkane. ROR, this is general structure or general formula of ether, and in IUPAC system it is named as alkoxyalkane. Okay, this R and O is named as alkoxy and this R as alkane. Okay, so if our ether is if our ether is symmetrical, then any one group can be called as alkoxy and alkane. For example, CH3O CH3. So this is symmetrical ether because from oxygen both the sides group are same, methyl and methyl. Okay, so this is symmetrical ether. And if our given compound is symmetrical, then anyone can be called as alkoxy and alkane. So according to IUPAC system, nomenclature of this molecule will be methoxy and methane. Here number of one carbon, therefore it is meth, and we add suffix oxy, so it becomes methoxy. And similarly here number of carbon atom is 1, then it is meth, and it is alkane, so we use this suffix n, it becomes methane. Okay, so according to IUPAC nomenclature system, name of this compound will be methoxymethane. Similarly, let us take another example, C2H5O C2H5. This is again symmetrical molecule, so this will be alkoxy and it will be alkane. So nomenclature of this compound will be number of carbon atom is here 2, so it will be eth, and suffix oxy, ethoxy, and here again number of carbon atom is 2, then it will be eth, and it is alkane, we use suffix ane, and so it is ethoxyethane. Okay, so these two are symmetrical ether. Now let us see what happens when it is unsymmetrical. Okay, if our ether is unsymmetrical, if the given molecules of ether are unsymmetrical, then lower number of carbon chain containing oxygen is considered as alkoxy. Lower number of carbon atom. containing oxygen will be considered as alkoxy, and higher number of carbon atoms is considered as alkane in case of unsymmetrical ether. For example, CH3O C2H5. Alkyl group attached with this oxygen atom is not same in this case. One side is one carbon atom and another side is two carbon atom. This is methyl and this is ethyl. So here nomenclature of this compound will be like this. Here we will select lower carbon containing oxygen as alkoxy and higher carbon as alkane. So this will be alkoxy and this will be alkane. Therefore, nomenclature of this molecule will be like this: methoxy, because number of carbon atom is 1, methoxy, methane, because here number of carbon atom is 2, methoxy, methane. Okay. Then if number of carbon atom exceeds 2, then numbering of carbon from the oxygen or alkoxy group required. For example, suppose we are having molecules like this: CH3O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay. So here numbering is required, and numbering starts from where their methyl group attached to list numbering, that is 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So alkoxy group is attached to this first carbon atom, then it will be 1 methoxy, and number of carbon atom this chain is 3, therefore it will be propane, methoxy propane. Similarly, CH3, CH3 and here OCH3, and it will be 2 methoxy propane, 2 methoxy propane. Okay. Now let us take another example. Is it clear up to here? Okay. Now let us take another example. Suppose now we are having molecules like this: CH3, COCH3, CH2CH2CH3. So here the number of carbon atom is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and alkoxy group is attached to the second carbon atom. So IUPAC nomenclature of this molecule will be 2 methoxy and 1 2 3 4 5 carbon is there, then it will be pentane. Pentane, 2-methoxy pentane. Okay, now let us take another example, and it is like this: CH3 CH3 CH, and here OCH3 OCH3, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, now what would be the IUPAC nomenclature of this molecule? So here number of carbon atom in a chain is 1 2 and 3, 1 2 3. So 1 methoxy 1 methoxy 2 methyl 2 methyl, and number of carbon atom in the chain is 1 2 3, propane. Okay, so we can conclude that in this system, that is IUPAC system, RO is considered as alkoxy and R as alkane. It means name of alkoxy group is written first, as written here, methoxy. Here also methoxy, followed by alkane. Okay, is it clear? Now let us take another example, and this molecule is like this: CH3O C CH3 CH3 and CH3. So here the nomenclature of this molecule will be like this. Number of carbon atom in chain is 3, 1 2 and 3. Alkoxy group is attached to the second carbon atom, therefore it will be 2-methoxy 2-methyl, because that carbon methyl group is also attached, and number of carbon atom in a chain is 3, therefore it will be propane. 2-methoxy 2-methyl propane. Okay, now next example: OCH3. Again this is unsymmetrical, so it will be methoxy. This is our methoxy, and this is benzene, so it will be methoxy benzene. Okay, next this is again symmetrical molecule, then anyone can be selected as alkoxy and alkane. So this, suppose this is alkoxy and this is alkane, so it will be phenoxy benzene. Okay, is it clear? Now let us see another example, and it is like this: OC2H5. Again this is unsymmetrical ether. Then in this case, least number of carbon atom containing oxygen is considered as alkoxy. So it will be alkoxy, and next one is alkane. So this is our alkane, but it is here it is benzene. Then nomenclature of this compound will be like this. Number of carbon atom in alkoxy group is 2, so it will be ethoxy, and this is benzene, ethoxy benzene. Okay, so as we can see that nomenclature of ether is very simple, very easy. Just remember it is called alkoxy alkane in IUPAC system. You just write the name of alkoxy group first, followed by alkane. Okay, so here is some examples that you can try to solve and comment its answer in my channel. Okay, so these are examples that you can try to solve. First example is like this. Question 1, and next question is like this. This one. Okay, try to solve this question and comment in my channel. Okay, if you like this channel, please like my videos, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel.